anything else, we have to talk about this movie. How did it all happen, sir? You said, okay, I need to be there with this team, support them. Talk to us about it, sir, please.
Before I talk anything about the film, let me thank Amirji. He's so humble, so nice, and the pretension is not with him. I just called him with slight embarrassment because his son's film is being released on the same day as 7th. and I started like this, sir, I don't know, I can ask this help, but the only superstar I know and I've made films is you. Can I invite you for the trailer launch? He said, what is there? Both the films will run well. Don't worry about it. I'll come. That's all. One simple word. He didn't allow me to kajol beg or anything like that. He just simply told like that, I'm coming. That's all. Then said date. Okay, I'll ask my secretary to call you. Just talk to him. And it's all over in 3 minutes. What to say? Such a nice gentleman. And of course, I know that he loves me in his heart. So that is the reason the first call, he made me so happy. Thank you very much for your kindness, sir. Thank you very much. Coming back to the film. Why we made this film is one, if you want to say in one sentence, it is a true story happened in nearby Vizag, in a small village. Those people have gone to Gujarat for a better coolie to go into the sea and do a fishing for 30 days and come back. Unfortunately, due to some weather problem, they crossed the international borders and suddenly they realized Pakistan people have caught them and took them to jail, and they were there for 2 years to come back. And the whole family in this village here, how they suffered, how they rose to bring them back, what is their struggle there, and all this is the story of the film. Straight, I'm telling you. I'm inspired by the 10 lines of the story, and we approached those 20 people who stayed in the Pakistan jail, took rights from all of them. Though somebody has written the story, and then gave the small story to this gentleman. And this gentleman took 9 months to develop into a proper 1.5 hour narration to me. And on the day when he gave narration to me, I was flat on that floor, right? He developed in such a way. He intertwined the love story so much into it. And the Pakistan jail scenes and the village scenes, the love story, all these things. In the sea, of course, he spent a lot of money of mine. That is about him. And I have to tell somebody is not here who was about to come, and Sai Pallavi is sick today and she couldn't come. We told her, please stay back, don't worry, we will explain to Chief Guest Amirji and you people. And she has done a fantastic job in this film. You will love it. And then it is Naga Chaitanya. I've got a long way to go. With him, he has been my actor in my banner, and he's so inspired with this subject. When we told, even before developing into this big one, he was, and the way he has acted in this film, I tell you, I mean, this is slightly exaggeration in my words, but when you see the film, it is a reality. He has done best of his career performance. He has done the best. And I feel, even this word is an exaggeration, but his career before this film and after this film, will be in two ways. That's it. Sir, thank you very much, because he stood for this film for 1.5 years, not accepting any assignment and not removing the beard also. Should I tell the joke? About a couple of months he got married. So I went to his marriage to bless. They were sitting down, I was about to bless. He introduced his missus and she said, "Sir, I have a small request. Please tell me, when do you will show my husband to me?" I said, "What is it?" I couldn't see my husband's face. I told her, next day of the release. Till then, don't believe me. Next day of the release. So that was the joke in Pandal. So such patience he has shown in the film. Such tenacity he has exhibited to do the role. And even those fishermen have a muscle, but thin, that kind of muscle, lean muscle. Lean muscle, he has developed it to show it as a fisherman and all that. He has worked a lot for that. And I remember how much you struggled to build a body in Gajani. We stopped the film for 6 months, really, to make him bulk the body. So, such things he has done for this film. I have to acknowledge and thank you, Chaitu, for this film. And we say, if the film is coming up, the music is the first one that comes and hits us. And he has hit audience with 3 continuous hits in this film. And he has given extraordinary music for this film. And already, it is on the charts. It's doing great. And he's looking like that. He's doing music last 25 years. And I lost count how many films he has done for me. But I was asking yesterday, like, how you are giving continuous hits so many years, man. He is telling, can I ask you the same? So even, I think you are aware, Pushpa. He is the guy. No, Pushpa ka baap he was. Then my colleague Banni Vasu, he got this subject from somewhere and brought to me. "Sir, listen to this. I think something is hitting me." And I heard it's a real story, but it looks like a documentary. Yeah? Let us give it to Chandu. He will make it. And he has worked throughout. I don't go to sets every day. That Mr. Banni Vasu does all this job. And I thank him across this stage. He's not here because in the Hindi copy, Hindi mixing, all those things, he's looking after there. So many people couldn't reach here. One Mr. Sandeep we have taken from here. Thank you, Sandeep. You will come finally here. Thank you. He has done a great job also. Thank you, Sandeep. For 20 days, I saw him continuously in the edit room. So he was so familiar. And did I forget anything? Right, editor Naveen. Editor Naveen. He has done a great job. He's a super editor there. People wait for him. People postpone their releases for his edit. That kind of a superstar. So many people. He's also a National Film Award. I'm working with so many National Film Awards. Thank you. Thank you for co-producers. These are the people. Please stand up once.
Thank you so much, sir.
Whom can I call?
Of course.
You do. I will
Okay,
do your
okay.
job. Please do.
You so amazing, sir. मैं सुन सकता हूँ ऐसे पूरे टाइम. आवाज में वजन है, पर्सनालिटी में वजन है, तो बनता है इतना. तो